Hi everyone, welcome to Smart Spots. Today I'm going to be showing you a handy tool in Google Chrome called Inspect Element. So Inspect Element is part of Google Chrome's developer tools, and it really comes in handy when you're redesigning your website or just want to check and make sure everything is looking good. So there's two main reasons that I use Inspect Element. The first one is to test the responsiveness of a website, and the second thing is to preview live CSS changes to the website without having to go into the code. So to open Inspect Element, you can right-click anywhere on the page and go to Inspect. So it'll open up this sidebar panel that has all of the CSS options as well as the HTML. The first thing I'll show you is how to test responsiveness. So you can either type in a specific browser width in this box, or you can come over here to the right and drag in the window. And you can see how the page changes as the browser gets smaller. So this is what it would look like on a smartphone. Whereas where you drag it out, this is what it would look like on a desktop. So that really comes in handy when you want to test the responsiveness of your site and make sure everything looks exactly as you want it to. So the second thing is previewing live CSS changes without having to go into the code. So this won't actually make any changes to your website. This is just a way to preview it before you go in and actually change your code on your site. So let's say I want to see what this heading could look like if it was larger and a different color. I'm going to come up here to where this arrow in the box is, and it says select an element in the page to inspect it. So click that, and I want to change this heading, so it's going to highlight in blue. So click that, and then it'll pull up all of its CSS options over here. So I want to make it a little bigger, so instead of 32 pixels, let's make it 42 pixels. And then I'm going to add some spacing above it, so padding top 15 pixels. And then I want to make it blue. And there, now I can see what it looks like with my changes. So if I end up liking these changes, then I can add it to my code, and I already know that it'll look good because I tested it out using Inspect Element. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.